Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about y equal to s to the power of n. If we do first derivative of this one, you will have ns to the power of n minus 1. So we apply the formula in here. So if we do first derivative, we will have about negative number 2, just like represent about n in here. S to the power of negative number 2 minus 1. Negative number 1, that's it from here. This one you got about negative 1 over 2. And we have minus number 1 in here. So this one you got about negative number 3. This one you got about negative number 3 over 2. 2 divided by negative number 2, you got about negative number 1. 4 divided by negative number 2, we have negative number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.